Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be making the FliteTest Sparrow. They made two versions of this. First, they made the pusher, which I'm going to be building, and then they made a twin engine. The twin engine is actually pretty cool, but I don't have the right electronics for it, so I'm just going to stick with the pusher version. I'm going to be building this from the free plans, but they do supply their speed build kit in the FliteTest store. What are we waiting for? Let's start building. I 3D printed this cool motor mount for the Sparrow. It's nice because usually on the Sparrow you make the power pod and then you cut into the detail here to mount it. But this one is nice because it can just go and then slide on. And no cutting needed. And then there's just a skewer through it, so I can always just take it off if it needs maintenance or something. Alrighty, the build for the FT Sparrow is finished. One thing that's cool about this plane is it has a removable nose. This removable nose feature was originally meant for the twin Sparrow, so I started building the fuselage for the pusher Sparrow, but then I thought it would be pretty cool to take the fuselage from the twin Sparrow and get the removable nose feature out of it. This plane needs lots of nose weight because the motor is all the way at the back. So I put a few heavy nuts in the front to make the CG proper. I also had to modify this nose part slightly so it could fit a bigger battery in it. Now I just need to take this plane for its maiden flight. It's the maiden flight for the FT Sparrow. I want to see what happens.
So, how was it?
I'm not quite used to the VTOL yet, but I think this is a pretty cool plane. It has some cool characteristics. I have got the Go 180 cam on here. I'm excited to try it. Hopefully I can get some cool footage. Let's go.
Goes. Huh? What do you think?
It's great. It's nice to actually try it on a calm day because before it was kind of windy. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any suggestions about what content you want to see or what I should build next, please leave it in the chat below. If you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video.